Alright, what's up YouTube fans? It's O10 Sean here. It's been a little while since I talked to you guys on YouTube. My truck's out of the shop, thank God. I've done some few more modifications since you've seen it. Put good old fashioned, I don't know if you guys can see it, put a good old fashioned PA in here. And alright, and I'm going to talk about my fog lights. This one's got a little bit of junk in it, but whatever. And this is the best CB antenna you'll ever buy. 21-inch cop antenna. Bitch is awesome. Where's my So about the antenna, got that off Radio Shack for about I don't know, 20-30 bucks. Ran wire down through down here, down underneath the back seats, and it's curled up underneath the seat over there. Unlock my car, and then that's where it comes out. It goes down between my seats, and there is the unit. A Cobra DX4. Now, for the test. Let's turn this thing on, see how she works. And then I also got this thing at AutoZone while I was there.
Our menu at new time, Monday through Friday.
While I was there, picked it up for about $15. It's a switch box. Plug your cigarette lighter in here and you turn it on. And it lights up blue. I know you can see that. Alright, let's turn this bitch on and see what we got. Alright, right now it's on PA. Here you go. Let's see if y'all can hear this. What's up? What's up? Nice loud 15-watt speaker we got in the hood. I'll show you how I installed that later. Flip over to there. Let's see what we get when we go to channel 19. Nobody's out right now, but try a little later. Well, that's the system I got hooked up right now. I was supposed to install it on this side, but I had a little problem with my girlfriend, so you know, it's whatever. I'll show you how I installed my PA, my speaker to my PA. Hold on, I gotta. Yeah. Alright, hold on, I gotta put the thing up. The hood up. Alright, well, you can see down that little white thing down there is a speaker. Here's wires to it right here. I got my switch goes in the cabin for my fog lights. I got my 3.5mm headphone jack for my public address system. Now, this is only a 15-watt speaker. I was gonna buy a cop speaker that's thin and it's about 100 watts, but it was $83, so I bought this one off this website I found. It's $10. It's decent money. Alright, now, and that wire I showed you comes up runs underneath my floor mat. There's the wire I showed you. Goes up and back into my PA. And this thing that you see the red and black into for my CB, that I bought at Radio Shack for about $15, $20. That's nice because you don't have to hook it up to a fuse. And my radio, I'll talk about, that's another video. That's pretty cool too. I mean, I don't know, I might move that. It doesn't get in the way, but I might move it just for my dad's sake. Because it might be in the way of him. I'm not sure. But I'll lay the phone out near, pretty far away from the car and let you hear the PA. Alright, hold on.